Who am I? Where do I come from? And where am I going? Hello, this is Dr. Wolf, your philosophy instructor. Welcome to Beginning Philosophy. It's written in the Talmud that beginnings are always difficult. But it's also written that the journey of 1,000 miles, it begins with one step. So let's take that first step, the beginning of philosophy. Where do we begin? What's the point of entry? Where's the starting point, the foundation for philosophy? Boy, it seems difficult with all these questions, but actually it's not as difficult as it may seem. The answer perhaps is closer to us than we think. The starting point of philosophy is the question itself. So we're already at this beginning point. In this unit, we're going to learn that philosophy can be described as the art of the question. Whenever we begin to ask questions, we're beginning to think interrogatively, a specific kind of thinking. And philosophy does begin for us when we begin to ask questions such as, who am I? Where do I come from? And where am I going? We might even say that all human beings have a sort of innate, natural tendency to philosophy because we've all asked these questions. We've wondered about them, and we've maybe even obsessed about them and lost some sleep over it. How big is the universe? What is time? Do my thoughts outlive my physical death? What's God? Why do I exist? Etc. So in philosophy, we take these basic questions that are natural to everyone, and we we practice them. Okay, and this actually is the art of philosophy is asking these questions. And every time we engage in such thinking and questioning, we are actually practicing philosophy. So the first beginning for us, the starting point for us in philosophy, is actually our own question that we ask to ourselves. What happens to us right now when we seriously ask and consider the question, who am I really? So many questions. How am I communicating? We think about the digital interface, and there's so many questions, but just the basic question that we begin with, who am I really? But yet philosophy also has a second beginning, another beginning, okay? And this one is a historical beginning, and we look to ancient Greece, and we look to Socrates. Socrates' method of practicing philosophy as described in the Apology by Plato. There we find him going from citizen to citizen, craftsmen to lawyers, to asking questions, interrogating the Athenians, bugging them, if you will, searching for wisdom. And in this way, we can look to Socrates as the embodiment of philosophy, the beginning point of philosophy. So there is another beginning. Remember, philosophy has two beginnings. Right now, as you and I engage in thinking and questioning, we're beginning our step into philosophy. Who am I? Where am I going? But philosophy also has its beginning historically in Socrates, and the ancient thinker who probably more than anyone else has, with his method of questioning and cross-examination, has influenced so many generations of thinkers up to and including us. So I hope you're going to enjoy this unit, and good luck.